Hello, today I will be attempting to rebuild and clean up these really old snap-on ratchets. They are from 1971 and they do turn, but this one doesn't want to. Oh yeah, it slightly turns. So anyways, they're almost 40 years, or almost 50 years old. And I'm going to clean them up. I'm going to be starting with this half-inch ratchet. I've rebuilt a couple ratchets before. The first thing I'm going to do is just soak it in WD-40. Break everything up, make it easy to clean. Brush. It's already working better. This should turn out pretty good. So the next thing I need is a flathead screwdriver. I have a toolbox here in the back of my truck. It's got pretty much everything I need. I need a flathead screwdriver. Take this ratchet apart, and up in this box I will have drill brushes. Clean this up. Alright. On to the next step. Okay, what I'm going to do here is take these screws out. There's one. Kind of stuck in there. Oh, there's number two. Okay, got both of these out. I'm gonna spray them with some WD-40 and then put them somewhere where I won't lose them. Which will actually be good right there. Neat. Here, you have the ratchet without screws. I'm just going to gently pull that. There's the teeth inside. Okay, after further inspection, I noticed that that inner piece there that switches the direction, it's not easily going to come out, so I'm not going to take it out. Let's see if I can get that in focus. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean that up really good inside. I got a couple different picks. I got my trusty WD-40. I have a brush. And I also have a wire brush for my drill. Alright, let's see what we can do here. starting to look a little bit cleaner. Set that right there, and I'm going to take this inner gear and the 1/2-inch piece, wipe them off real well. There might be some plastic in there. I don't think there is, but I want to try not to damage it if there is. It's pretty good now. Goes back and forth nice with the other one. Oh wow. The difference is night and day. That hardly wants to move. It's very sticky. That just clicks, makes a nice sound. Wonderful. Okay, I think... Oh, I gotta clean those screws still. What I'm gonna do now is I have this WD-40 Specialist spray and stay gel lubricant, no drip formula. I've used grease in ratchets before, and when it gets really, really cold out, I live in Canada, it's minus 27 Celsius outside right now, the grease freezes up and your tools don't work. So I'm going to use some of this WD-40 spray and stay. It's definitely thicker, like a lot thicker than standard WD-40, and it's like lighter than grease. Get some of that in there. I'm going to spray down this gear. I'm going to put that back. There's that. That sits flush with the back. Now that it's in, I'll give it some more. I like to get a lot in there. It'll stop it from corroding and gumming up. That's the inside face, because the wear marks from the bit that spins inside were on there. I'm going to hold that together. Get these screws put in place. Get my screwdriver out. Tighten those up. I'm just going to go until it gives resistance. Go to the other one. Go until it gives resistance. Give it a little extra crank. This one too. All right. Now, turn that back and forth a bunch. Oh, that is so nice now. It just clicks right into place. Hardly needs my assistance at all. Awesome. And now let's see how this turns. Oh, wow. Now that is nice. Just as a comparison, the other one, if it'll focus, I can't even turn this. Like it's no good. So here's what I'm going to be using to polish this up. I have one of the new 2021 F-150 trucks, so I can put this here, take my vice grips. There's actually a C-clamp slot there, so one hand, put your vice grips in there, click them down, and that is sturdy enough to wire wheel. I do this the easy way and use a wire wheel. Alright, so here's the final product of all three snap-on wrenches, ratchet wrenches from 1971. All cleaned up and greased. They look a lot better. Like, I actually can't believe how well they polished up. And what's even more surprising is how well they all work. Like, they just work flawlessly. Especially this little one. This little one was like skipping gear teeth and all sorts of stuff, but now it turns like nothing. That's awesome.